Do you remember the 60s? I was just a kid in the 60s, but I remember the Beehive hairdos. Let me know in the comments below if you had to endure this torture, curlers at night, sitting under a hot hair dryer, and the smell of tons of Aquanet hairspray. Then you are finally ready for your school pictures, looking just like a grown-up. Today, we're reading a new newspaper for me. It's the Lawrence Daily Journal World from Lawrence, Kansas, dated May 15th, 1963. And it was 7 cents. Let's start today's paper by seeing what's at the movies. At the Grenada, now showing Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. Starting Saturday, it's a darn good thing as Debbie becomes a foster mother to 6 kids and a dog. Debbie Reynolds, Cliff Robertson, and David Jensen in My 6 Loves. At the Sunset Drive-In Theater, west on Highway 40, now it defies every taboo. I Spit on Your Grave. He passed for white, and they loved it. Money back guarantee. Your money will be refunded full within 30 minutes at the beginning of I Spit on Your Grave if you're not completely engrossed, excited, and held spellbound by this most unusual picture. Ah, the drive-in. What memories. Do you remember getting in the car with all your friends, grabbing this contraption, and putting it in your window?
No, that's not big enough. No, that's not big enough either. That's more like it. We're delighted to have you with us, and we extend a cordial welcome to you. We've lined up the top stars from Hollywood and from all over the world to entertain you on our giant screen with the new, colorful motion pictures you've been hearing about and reading about. To add to your enjoyment, we're all wound up to bowl you over at intermission time with live wire service at our snack bar, where you'll find a tempting variety of favorite foods and beverages. Now it's showtime, folks, and you can be sure it's the best show in town. Your continued patronage is very, very welcome.
And one of the most famous bikini wearers was Annette Funicello.
Let's get together now. You know I love you.
You asked me if I ever longed for him since we said goodbye. Sure, I get sad, but it's not too bad. It only hurts when I cry.
You really are one.
I told you I was.
I've never known a girl with a
I want to tell you about a friend of mine. I love him so he drives me out of my mind. He's my fly boy.
Now, Bonnie, listen,
You listen. Here we are, all alone, way up high. Just the two of us. You don't get all your kicks from surfing, do you?
Hey, you're doing all right.
Yeah, so are you.
You mean?
Oh, lay off, will ya? Edie, I love you.
Don't you, I love you, me.
A beach blanket bingo. That's the name of the game. Beach blanket bingo. Beach blanket bingo. Beach blanket bingo. Bingo!
Was dressed in new styles.
Hey, Mom. Yes, you. Why fuss and fret about dinner? Why not have it right here? Yes, this drive-in offers everyone in the family a real picnic treat for dinner. We've got delicious sandwiches with all the trimmings and your other dinner favorites, plus whatever you want to drink, hot or cold. Come early before the show starts, or eat while you're being entertained, or at intermission time. So why fuss? Give your family a tasty dinner at this drive-in.
Do you remember 1960s cars? Okay, ship winter used cars. 61 Olds 98 Holiday Sedan. This is a very clean lavender 4-door hardtop with only 23,200 miles for $2,575. A 58 Ford Fairlane 500 two-tone blue and white. This 4-door is in first-class condition. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, $845. A 1960 Ford Ranch Wagon. Here is a beige color, wash and dry 1-pound tender young dandelion greens, picked from plants that have not yet bloomed. Place in salad bowl. Add 1 clove minced garlic, salt, pepper, 1/4 cup wine vinegar, and 1/4 cup olive oil. Toss. Serves 5.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.